Using a McDonald's gift card on Doordash is a convenient way to enjoy your favorite meals while taking advantage of the gift card balance. To get started, first ensure that your McDonald's gift card is activated and has a sufficient balance to cover the cost of your order. Begin by opening the Doordash app on your device and searching for McDonald's in the search bar. Once you have located McDonald's, select the restaurant and start browsing the menu to choose your desired items. Add the items you want to purchase to your cart and proceed to checkout. At the checkout page, you will see a section that says Pay with Gift Card. Click on this option and select McDonald's as the gift card type. You will then be prompted to enter the gift card number and the PIN, which can be found on the back of the card or in the email if you have an e-gift card. Enter the gift card details carefully and ensure that the balance is sufficient to cover the cost of your order. If the gift card balance is not enough, you can use another payment method to cover the remaining amount. Review your order summary to ensure that everything is correct, including the gift card details. Once you have completed the checkout process, Doordash will deduct the order amount from your McDonald's gift card balance. You will receive an order confirmation and updates on the status of your order. It is essential to note that not all McDonald's locations accept gift cards on Doordash, so it is crucial to check the terms and conditions before placing your order. To avoid any issues, make sure to check the gift card balance before placing your order and keep the gift card details secure to prevent unauthorized use. By following these steps, you can easily use your McDonald's gift card on Doordash and enjoy your favorite meals while taking advantage of the gift card balance.